Well guys, we are back here today. They were calling for rain yesterday afternoon. We didn't get much of that, but last night, man, we got a bunch. I had the customer come out here and check it this morning, and yeah, it ain't bad as bad here, but I tell you what, we got a lot at my house. Last night in the middle of the night, it poured a couple times so bad that I didn't think there was any way we'd be able to get this. But yeah, this is actually good. We were adding water to it yesterday anyway to get it to pack, so oh yeah, it's gonna be perfect. Idaho's up there. Get this get the Mini fired up. We'll get on this. Got the, like I said, I got the customer, he ran and got the sheep's foot. I'm gonna build a ramp down in here so old Idaho can get down there on a steel horse. Then I brought my trash pump. We're gonna throw that in, let it start pumping all this water down. We're gonna get pretty deep through here, take that pressure off of it. Yeah, this is perfect. You're up against the weather. It always changed, but yeah, I'm glad we went with it, man. It's actually perfect. Morning, sunshine. What do you got? Couple little jewels.
Yeah. Got you your Juneberry.
You want that or you want the bluey?
No, I'm gonna drink the bluey. I know June's your favorite.
It's good. Got our pump fired up. Smells like we're at the races. Got race fuel in it. Come on around. You want to move the hose or what? He's right at home.
Look out! And it's gonna be a bloody mess at the end of the day. Donuts or anything, I'm out in a trench. Oh man.
What?
This thing's gonna work awesome. It's gonna bury itself in here though.
Should have seen the smile on his face, guys. Got another China dig here, guys. We're just chasing out all this black or gray nasty muck. Obviously there was definitely no keyway installed. It's not really wet anymore, but we found a couple of pretty good leaks, but might as well just get in here and get down to it and get all that crap out of here. It looks like that's just ground he put that clay right on top of. Let builders build houses and excavators do excavating. He said he got this pond built for $2 grand. There's a reason, because he just took the spoils from the house, put them in this thing and compacted it in, or I don't know if he even compacted it. And that was 20 some years ago, he told me. Found some more leaks. All down through here, look at this. Yeah, it's leaking all through here for sure. I mean, when we're putting the keyway in, I ain't seen it ain't been wet down there.
No.
It's not wet. We're pounding it in, there shouldn't be nothing after this, should there? I know, I need to get it more leveled out for you.
And then when it sinks, I'm laying against it. I dug it out all the way back. I thought, man, I'm stuck now.
Packing it in then, ain't it?
Oh yeah, it's packed.
How deep do you think that thing compacts?
Oh. Probably 3 foot.
You think?
Oh yeah. Well, and especially if you just sit there, because
you can feel it.
Watch it going down. I'll pick a spot and I'll watch it just go down, then it'll just stop.
That's good. Look at this, guys. So see that dirt I'm pulling up right there? See the vegetation on it? So that just shows you right there that he didn't even strip the dirt to put the keyway in or nothing. He just put it right on top of the vegetation. That's what this gray stuff is, just all rotten vegetation and dirt that's been under there a long time. I'm gonna jump on the dozer, cut a road down through there. He's gonna pull the roller up, and I'm gonna start blading stuff across so we get a nice path. Look at this, from him running that roller over there. Look at this bank cracking. Idaho's right like always. He said that's too big, which it is kind of too big at this point. So I'll just take the skid loader, kind of build some up. Could shave this down though. That way they're in a big pocket. Tell you what, guys, I've asked a lot out of this machine since I haven't had a big excavator, which I do now. I got the 316, but it's not job ready yet. But that thing has come in clutch. I mean, this is a big excavator job here for sure. Then a few things I put it on last year was a big excavator job, and it stands up to the task. It impresses me. It's a good piece. Get Idaho to knock this lift in. There's a cowboy on that thing. I ain't showed you guys much in a while. It's just kind of the same old, just pounding her in. Plus I'm in full throttle mode right now. So is Idaho. Bring me all the way out. Coming together. Idaho. Of course, Idaho picked up all the rocks for me. He loves rocks. I tell you guys, right now it's a full-on bar brawl. Things are going everywhere. Rushing 3 o'clock trying to get this done. We haven't stopped to even take a break to eat, which I never do really. That's Job's here. So now I'm jumping on a dozer, starting blading more lifts in. Idaho's compacting that. Full kick butt mode. You guys ever been in a bar brawl? You know what I'm talking about. Things flying everywhere. Rolling some of this side dirt in. Tell you what I mean. I was swinging by this edge before I was worried about my counterweight hitting. This time I was just like, F-word it, I don't even care. Down over this bank here, over the dam, pushing it up instead of doing it with the mini. Plus the mini bucket's full. This clay is all stuck in there. Now from the dozer to the mini. Back and forth, front and forward, back and forth. What do you think?
Coming together. Look at
Yeah, I'm gonna taper it.
Alright.
Ain't my first one.
Ah,
It's not my first one. Sure does feel like it though.
came out good though.
It's coming out good.
Yeah.
Came out when we're sitting at the truck. If it came out good, that means we're at the truck already having a Red Bull.
Oh, yeah.
Going to the bank. It's just coming out good. It means we're still here working on it. Oh, look. I think that was from earlier. That was probably from when I said I don't give a F. I'm gonna hate myself later. Amateur hour. Pound her guts out. Pound her guts out. Guys, here's where we're at. We're still throwing the hammer down. I want to show you how amateur I was today. Step one. Oh my God, I didn't even, oh good, it's just not scratched. Look at this, guys. I thought this was happening when I was swinging here to get water to wet it. That right there is as amateur as it comes. If Idaho did that, I can't yell myself, punch myself. I just got off texting my guy I met, well, kind of my buddy, Derek Furr, that designed that. I sent him a package with some shirts and stuff. Here's what we're doing. Idaho man, he's from the old school. He'll work till he dies. Joe was the same way too. He never asked when we were gonna be done. Maybe one time, I think he had a hot date or something. Picking up everybody's crap. He's banging it in. He likes to bang it in. Now I'm gonna come over at the mini and throw more of this out here. Then we'll blade it across. Where we pulled this tree out, there wasn't a bunch of clay, it was all topsoil. Hey, I'm gonna bring the mini over, throw this out so I can get behind it. We'll do another lift here.
Huh?
I'm gonna bring the mini up, throw this out so I can bring another lift in here.
Alright.
Pound it in, Ruben. I might throw some water on it.
I'll pound it down.
Bang them chains. Chain bangers. It's coming together, guys. I see the original grade for the pond dam back there. Big old root cotton here. That's one of those things, if you don't do something with it, it'll flip out and rip off a hydraulic line or something. Well, guys, that's going to be it for today. It's already like almost 6 o'clock. I think we've done enough damage. Tomorrow, just got to finish it up and then finish this riprap up. So I'm going to get off early, or go early, get a load of riprap, bring it here, and then we'll finish everything up. What do you think?
But so far,
So it's enough abuse for today.
yeah, my tailbone hurts.
Let's get this thing loaded up and get a game plan for tomorrow.
Think I can load it on that incline?
I don't know why. I'd rather do it downhill.
I know.
Maybe just spin it around.
Yeah, I think I will.
All right. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed having you. You guys know what to do. You're part of the family. Make it happen. Amateur hour today. I gotta get that thing home, get it cleaned up. Idaho's like, we better turn the trailer. Well, you guys might have heard him. I don't know if we can load it on the incline. End of the day, he just wants to get out of here. He steel horsed it. When in doubt, throttle out.